Now we're going to switch gears looking at simplifying or adding like terms. So remember, like terms, they have same exponents and same variables, okay? So these ones don't have any exponents, so we're really just looking at same variables, right? So we have two x terms, so terms with an x in them. We have the 8x and the plus 6x, so we're going to add those together, right? 8x's plus 6x's is going to make a total of 14x's. And then we still have the constant term there, the plus 5. It doesn't have any other like terms in the expression, so we just have the plus 5. All right, go ahead and try this one out on your own. Pause the video, then come on back and see how you did. So here we got to identify our like terms. Well, let's look at our y terms, right? We have the 3y and we have the plus 9y. Okay, so 3y's plus 9y's for a grand total of 12y's. Okay, now let's look at our constant terms. These are the terms with no variables, right? Constant terms. Okay, we have the minus 2 and the plus 12. Now, tricky part with this one here is these signs here. So some people, they might think, okay, so that's a 3y minus 9. No. The symbol in front of the number stays with the number. So this is a negative 2. Okay, so we're thinking it's a negative 2 plus a 12, right? Now, remember, we have our money type idea. This is you have to pay $2 and you have $12. Well, you have more than what you have to pay. You're only going to pay 2 of the 12, so you still have $10 left over. The other way of thinking about this is a subtract 2. So I have to subtract 2 from 12, which is 12 minus 2, which makes 10. So it's a positive and then 10. Okay, so there we go. There's simplifying, adding like terms. Another bonus question here. This one also, try this one out on your own. Pause the video, then come on back to see how you did. So remember, with our adding like terms, same variables and same exponents, okay? So now the terms that we're looking at are x squared terms and x terms, okay? So here we have the x squared terms. We have an 8x squareds, and we also have a plus 5x squareds. So how many total x squareds do we have? Oh, that's going to be 13x squareds, 8 plus 5. All right, and then as far as x terms go, we only have one x term. It's the 6x, so just plus 6x, okay? So there we go. There's added like terms there. Remember, same variables and same exponents. Some people will try and make this like a 64 and this a 25. No. The square only goes with the x, and so we're thinking add like terms, not doing a bunch of squaring.